Hey, welcome back to Scholarship, the channel where I find the opportunities so you don't have to. Today's video is massive. I found 11, yes, 11 fully funded PhD positions across Europe that are closing between July and August of 2026. That means deadlines are coming up fast, so stay with me till the end. Now, before I go into the list, let me quickly explain what fully funded actually means in Europe because it's different from what many of us are used to back home. In most European countries, a PhD is not just a degree, it's a job. You're employed by the university, you get a monthly salary anywhere between 2,300 euros to over 3,500 euros a month. Depending on the country, you get health coverage, you get annual leave, and in many cases, no tuition fees at all. So if someone ever tells you that a PhD abroad is only for the rich, show them this video. So let's get into it. So on this channel, Scholarship, I cover fully funded PhDs, master programs, fellowships, and youth opportunities from around the world. If that's your thing, hit the subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Okay, let's go through all 11 opportunities. I'll cover the country, the topic, the salary or funding, who it's open to, and the deadline. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so the PhD number 1. University of Copenhagen, PhD in gut microbe and cardiometabolic health. Denmark, which is the University of Copenhagen, is offering a fully funded 3-year PhD fellowship in the Department of Nutrition, Exercise and Sports. This is one for the science students, specifically those with a background in medicine, human physiology, human biology, nutrition or biotechnology. The project is part of something called the Microbiome Health Initiative funded by the Novo Nordisk Foundation, which is literally one of the biggest research funders in Europe. You'll be investigating how gut bacteria affect heart health and metabolism using cutting-edge lab techniques like transcriptomics, metabolomics, and microbiomics. Now, why Copenhagen is amazing? It's consistently rated one of the top 10 most livable cities in the world. The university offers parental leave, public health care, daycare support, and 6 weeks of annual leave. 6 weeks. The start date is 1st of October 2026 and the application deadline is 2nd of August 2026. Contact the supervisor directly, that is Associate Professor Henrik Munk Roager at hero@nexs.ku.dk. The link is in the description for all the information that you need. Moving on to opportunity number 2, Inria, France. So position 2 is in France with the University of Inria, which is one of the Europe's most prestigious research institutes for computer science. This PhD sits at the intersection of distributed systems, peer-to-peer computing, and cloud alternatives. Basically, the future of the internet. The project is called Hive and it's building a greener, more decentralized alternative to big tech clouds using blockchain and P2P networks. You'll be working across Nancy and Reims in France and also visiting Cannes. Yes, the same city as the film festival. Not bad for a PhD, right? So this is for the students with a master's in computer science or applied mathematics, strong skills in distributed systems and good programming ability. The salary here is 2,300 euros gross per month, plus subsidized meals, transport reimbursement, and 7 weeks of annual leave. Oh my god, it's 7 weeks. Keep an eye on the Inria website for the exact application link and the deadline. I have posted the link. Opportunity number 3, which is Sweden. Okay, and this is one for everyone who's ever used a VPN or the Tor network and wondered how it actually works. Karlstad University has a doctoral position in computer science focused on optimizing the performance and security of systems like WireGuard, VPNs, and the Tor anonymity network for next generation mobile networks. This is part of a project called Drive, funded by the Swedish Knowledge Foundation in collaboration with Mulva VPN, an actual industry partner. You'll need a master's in computer science or computer engineering. Program skills in C, Rust, or Go are a big plus. The salary follows a Swedish collective agreement which is very competitive and the position is 4 years long. Start date is 1st of September 2026 and the application deadline is 31st of July 2026. Reference number is REK 2026/147. Moving on to the opportunity 4, which is in Finland, and this is for the AI security crowd. The University of Turku is hiring a doctoral researcher to work on the privacy, security, and vulnerability research of generative AI. Think ChatGPT, but making it safe and quantum secure. This is embedded in a Horizon Europe project. They use flagship research funding program, meaning serious international collaboration across European universities and industry partners. You'll work on federated learning, differential privacy, post-quantum cryptography, all inside GenAI systems. If those words excite you, then this position is for you. You need a master's in computer science, mathematics, electrical engineering, or similar. Programming skills in Python, C++, or Rust are required. Salary starts at 2,500 euros to 2,700 euros per month, fixed term until the August of 2029. Deadline is 17th of August 2026. Apply through the University of Turku online portal. Link is in the description yet again. Belgium now, and this one is generally unique. KU Leuven, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Europe, is offering a 4-year fully funded PhD in the intersection of AI, data science, and agriculture. The project focuses on developing AI prediction models for strawberries and raspberries. Yes, really, to help farmers manage pests and disease in protected growing environments. It combines machine learning neural networks, explainable AI tools like SHARP, SHAP, and LIME, and real sensor data from farms. If you are in data science, operations research, engineering, computer science, or mathematics, this could be a brilliant fit, especially if you are open to an applied real-world research challenge. Based in Brussels and Leuven, the position starts 1st of December 2026 with full salary on the official KU Leuven salary scale. Deadline is 15th of August 2026. You need to contact the professor, whose link and the email address is given in the description below. Back to the UK, the University of Liverpool has a fully funded PhD position in Edge AI or wearable technology. You will be developing real-time AI models for surface electromyography. That's the technology that reads muscle signals through the skin. The goal: enable machines to understand human hand gestures in real time for applications in industrial robotics and human-machine interfaces. The research covers lightweight neural net design, model compression, embedded deployment, and testing on actual wearable devices. This is funded by the Horizon Europe and RAI project. So again, serious European funding. The supervisors include Dr. Ant Nguyen, Dr. Simon Maher, and Dr. Bauru Huang. Deadline to apply is 20th of July 2026. That's the earliest deadline in this video. So if this is your area, apply now. Link is in the description. Germany now. University of Hamburg. Germany now. University of Hamburg is advertising to position a research associate in the Faculty of Mathematics, Informatics, and Natural Sciences. This is slightly different. It's called as a research associate role, not a PhD studentship, but it comes with dedicated time for doctoral dissertation. At least 1/3 of your working hours are reserved for your own research. The focus is on secure software engineering for AI integrated systems and software engineering for Edge AI. Very much in line with current industry demand. Salary is at TVLEGR 13, the standard German public sector research salary, which is well structured with pension and healthcare. You need a master's in computer science, AI, IT security, software engineering, or related field. German language skills are helpful but not required. Deadline is 31st of July 2026. You need to contact the professor. Link is in the description. Norway now, and this one is relevant to everyone who logs into anything online. The University of Oslo, Norway's oldest and highest ranked university, is offering a 3 to 4 year PhD fellowship in the Department of Informatics, focus on digital identity and access management. We are talking about technologies like FIDO2, passkeys, self-sovereign identity, and the EU digital identity wallet. The future of how we authenticate ourselves online. You will investigate the security, privacy, and usability. The salary range is NOK 550, 800, 595,000 per year. That's approximately 48,000 euros to 52,000 annually. Norway is expensive, but that salary goes far. You need a master's in informatics or mathematics. Experience in cybersecurity or identity management is a strong advantage. Start date no later than the 31st of December 2026. Apply applications via the job nog platform or the link given in the description. Back to Sweden. Örebro University is looking for a PhD student in cybersecurity for embedded AI as part of Sweden's massive WASP program, the Wallenberg AI Autonomous System and Software Program. This is a fascinating project. Most cybersecurity research focuses on software, but what happens when AI is physically embedded in a robot or autonomous system? What new vulnerabilities does that create? How can a robot become self-aware of its own security weakness and adapt? This is frontier research. You'll be supervised by Dr. Alberto Giaretta with secondary supervision from Professor Mauro Conti, both internationally recognized names in the field. Starting salary is 32,300 SEK per month. That's approximately 2,800 per month. 4-year fully funded position, and start date is fall of 2026. Deadline is 3rd of August 2026, and the link for the application is given in the description. This is Karlstad University's second position in this video, and it's also from Sweden's Knowledge Foundation, this time for a project called SPLAIM. The focus, security and privacy of locally run AI models. Specifically, how can organizations safely deploy large language models like the ones behind AI assistants without sending sensitive data to the cloud. You'll work on parameter efficient fine-tuning, retrieval augmented generation RAG, privacy preserving interference, and benchmarking of local AI systems in collaboration with real industry partner. This is for anyone with a master's in computer science with experience in AI, machine learning, LLMs, or cybersecurity. 4-year fully funded position, salary on local collective agreement, and application deadline is 31st of July 2026. And for our final opportunity, a beautiful niche one, Paris-Saclay University in France, which is consistently ranked among the top 15 universities in the world. This PhD is in numerical computing, specifically modeling how rounding errors accumulate in long mathematical computations and using probabilistic and stochastic methods to understand and predict this behavior. If that sounds abstract, think of this way. Every time a computer runs a complex physics simulation, AI training loop, or financial model, there are tiny rounding errors happening millions of times. Understanding how they compound could be critical for the accuracy of AI systems, climate models, and more. This is funded by the ANR, France's National Research Agency. You need a strong background in computer science and mathematics with an interest in probability and statistics. Start date is 1st of October 2026 and deadline is 31st of October 2026 for the application. The latest deadline in this video, so you have more time for this one. Okay. Now that you have all 11 opportunities, let me give you some quick tips, because I see people make mistakes all the time. Number 1, read the full job description. Number 2, your motivation letter is everything. Number 3, prepare your transcripts early. Number 4, contact the supervisors before applying. And number 5, don't wait until the deadline. That's it. 11 fully funded positions across 8 countries in Europe. Salaries, healthcare, annual leave, research funding, and a doctorate at the end of it. These opportunities exist, they are real, and you are eligible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It generally helps this channel reach more students who need this information. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post opportunities like this regularly, covering everything from PhDs to master's programs, fellowships, and youth programs across Europe, Asia, and beyond. And drop a comment below. Tell me which PhD caught your eye. I would love to know. The links and deadlines for everything I've covered today are in the description below. Don't miss them. Until next time, keep applying, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.